Today is Mahaashtami and I wish all my viewers a very happy and prosperous Mahaashtami of Durga Puja. On this very special and auspicious day, we Bengali do not have any non-vegetarian item or rice item during lunch because we offer Anjali to Ma Durga on this day. That's why I'm going to share with you ASTAMIR MAHABHOJ Thali, which is totally vegetarian and served with some puri. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update of my channel. Now start making ASTAMIR MAHABHOJ Thali. First recipe is chola dal or chana dal recipe. For that, I'm going to take 1 cup of chola dal or chana dal and I'm going to wash it thoroughly. I haven't soaked the dal, so I'm going to need more water. I'm going to add 3 cups of water, but if you are soaking the water previously for 2-3 hours or overnight, then use half amount of water of this, because then the dal will become soft and cook quickly. Now measure the water. It should come up to 1.5 finger lines of your fingers. Next, add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of mustard oil that will help not to splutter during the boiling process. Now in with the lid and now off to gas. And over low flame I'm going to give 4 whistles because the dal was not soaked. Now 4 CTs are done, so I'm going to start cooking. For that, here I have taken 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, to that 1 teaspoon of ghee, which is also called clarified butter. Now when it's nice and hot, I'm going to fry up some coconut pieces. This is the specialty of chola dal. It takes it to the next level. Now when they are golden brown like this, remove it on a plate. Over medium flame I have fried them for 3 minutes. Now in the same oil I'm going to add 3 whole dried red chillies and fry them for 10 seconds. Next, 3 bay leaves. Then goes some garam masala, 1/2 inch cinnamon stick or dalchini, 3 cardamom pods or elaichi or 4-5 cloves or long, and break the elaichi before using. Next goes in 1/4 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds or mori seeds. Next, pinch of hing. When it's aromatic, add ginger, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger or paste of ginger. Ginger paste will be better. Now fry them for 30 seconds or so. Next I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and half teaspoon of red chili powder. Now fry them. Before that I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin and jeera powder as well. Now fry all the dry masala and over low flame, remember that, otherwise the masala can burn easily. Next I'm going to add the boiled dal, including all the water that was present in there. There it goes. Now mix it. Next, add salt according to taste. We have already used salt in the dal, so be careful, use it wisely. Next, 3-4 green chilies slitted and let it come to boil over medium flame, and add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Chola dal, Bengali Niramish chola dal, is quite a little bit sweeter, so I have used sugar. Next, add fried coconut and over medium flame cook it for 5-6 minutes. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder and mix. And then to thicken up the dal in their consistency, break down the dal using the spatula. And then I'm going to cover it and cook it for 5-6 minutes. And you can see the dal is ready. This is the consistency of chola dal, medium thick. Now it's done. Next recipe is Niramish full kopi dalna. For that, in a pan, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. When it's nice and hot, I'm going to fry up some potatoes. Here I'm using 1 medium sized potato which I have cut into big chunks like this. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and over low flame I'm going to fry them for 5 minutes. And they are done. So I'm going to remove them on a plate. Next, in the same oil I'm going to fry up the cauliflower or full kopi. Here I have taken 1 cauliflower and cut them into big chunks like this. Now 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Fry them over low flame. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we are back. You can see they have released some water. Now 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Now turn the heat up a little bit. Now over medium to high flame, fry them for 10 minutes. Actually medium flame will be apt. Now fry them for 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you can see they are done. They have got some color and quite cooked through partly. So remove it on a plate. Now I'm going to add just a little bit mustard oil more, 1 tablespoon. Next add 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter. Next goes in 3 whole dried red chillies. Fry them for 10 seconds. Now 2 bay leaves or tej patta. Fry them as well, and there goes whole garam masala, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 3 cardamom pods, 5-6 cloves or long. And as I always say, open the cardamom pods before using. Next goes 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and fry them as well. Next I'm going to add 1 small tomato chopped. I forgot to use cumin seed, so here it goes, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Now over medium flame I am going to cook the tomato till they softens up. So it took me like 7-8 minutes. So I am going to add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Next 1 teaspoon of cumin and jeera powder and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, and fry them. Next I am going to add 3 green chillies slitted. Next 1/4 cup of water, and I am going to braise all the masala. That means koshano, which is very important step in Indian cuisine. Now it's done. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, because it's a vegetarian recipe or Niramish recipe. That's why we are using sugar. Next I'm going to add the fried cauliflower. Mix it nicely with all the masala. and then add the fried potatoes as well and mix. Both of them are partly done, so I'm going to add 1/3 cup of water. Now mix it. Let it come to boil. Then add salt according to your taste. Mix. Now over medium flame I'm going to cook them for 7-8 minutes, covering it. So after 7-8 minutes we are back, and now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and mix it. And as you can see, it's almost done. It's done. So our second recipe is also done. So chola dal and fulgobi tarkari is done. Next is shabu makha. For that, here I have taken half cup of shabu or sagu. Now I'm going to wash it thoroughly. After washing it, I'm going to soak it for 2-3 hours so that they become soft and increase in size as well. So after 2 hours, we're going to make shabu makha. For that, we're going to need 1 banana. Peel off the banana and mash it properly. It's very healthy and very tasty as well. So the banana is mashed nicely. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Adjust the sweetness according to your taste. Next goes some fruits. Here I have diced up some apple, 1/4 apple and half of cucumber. This is optional. Now I'm going to add the sabu. I have rinsed all the water out. Before using it, discard all the water from the shabu. Now mix it up using your hand. Next, some milk. Here I am using half cup of thick milk. You can use normal milk, but thick milk will enhance the taste. Next, 1.5 tablespoon of grated coconut and mix it as well. I think we're going to need just a little bit more milk and mix, and delicious shabu makha is ready. It's very healthy. So it's done. Now we will serve everything up. So here are luchi or puri, fulko luchi. Here is the chola dal, niramish chola dal, niramish fulkopi dalna. This is shabu makha, and this is chana pie. This recipe is coming on Dashami, and niramish aloo dum that is already present in my YouTube channel. I'll give the link in the below. Doesn't it look so appetizing? So your Ashtami lunch menu is sorted. Make this recipe for your family and friends and enjoy your Maha Ashtami with this special Maha Ashtami Thali. And let me know in the comment section below whether you like it or not. And don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends and comment in the comment section below. Happy Puja to all.